Hello, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce to all of our Nigerian friends a very dear partner and associate colleague of mine, Dr. George. He's a family physician with extensive medical experience in Nigeria, over 40 years practicing in medicine, and he's had some very unique experiences with the new medical breakthrough technology that we are bringing to Nigeria. Dr. George, please share with us some of your experiences with Cellgevity.
Thank you. As you've been told, I have 40 years practicing experience behind me in the field of medicine. I practice family medicine in Nigeria, particularly in Lagos. I got to know about Cellgevity about 18 months ago, and my experiences have been very, very varied, going through various kinds of diseases, sickle cell disease, infertility, and some other illnesses that are regarded as being very chronic. But I would like to share my experience about one particular patient. I wouldn't regard him as a patient of mine really, because in this country, if my friend has a son, that his son becomes my son. So I'm talking about this particular boy who is my son, suffering from sickle cell disease. I've known about this problem of his from birth, and he has had various challenges, ranging from the sickle cell crisis, bone pain crisis, infection in the bones, and a very, very painful condition called priapism. He got married about 4 years ago, and I've been concerned about his fertility. He has met so many other doctors, but I have been chasing this boy until about 2 years ago. I started following him up, and I found out that the problem he has was a very, very low sperm count. His wife had a very high level of prolactin. We were able to manage that, but his sperm count remained very low despite all types of treatments given. About 4 or 5 months ago, I introduced him to Cellgevity, and he has been on it for some time. I followed the improvement of over a 3-month period, and the sperm count rose significantly from about less than 1 million to over 40 million just in about 2 months. The good news about it is that his wife is 4 months pregnant now. We've done the test. She's doing very well. The baby is kicking well and developing well. Besides that, his priapism stopped, the bone pain crisis stopped, his blood level has improved, he's full of energy, and he's doing well. So that means translating to more money for him, because he cannot stay at work. Instead of being away from work due to sickness, he gets more time for himself to work, make more money for his family, and he's doing very well. I've had more experiences. Even my brother, who had a mild stroke, within a period of 2 weeks, his energy level increased. The paralysis was almost completely gone in 2 weeks. Now, after 3 months, nobody knows he has ever had any problem. I used to have a very big problem also with spondylosis. I had to take some injection before I go into the theater to relieve pain. But since I've been on Cellgevity, I've not been on any pain-relieving drug, and I'm doing well. I really work very hard, sometimes from 8 a.m. to after 12 in the night, and I don't get tired. My energy level increased, and I'm doing very well with my health. I'm sure that anybody who is not taking Cellgevity, I would say, is dangerously existing. I'm sure if you key into using this, everybody should be able to use it, particularly anybody who is over the age of 26 will benefit from Cellgevity, because the level of the glutathione, which is very important in maintaining the health, keeps dropping from about that age of 26, and that determines how you age and how diseases set in. So if you take the Cellgevity, your glutathione level is restored daily, and then your cells age very slowly. Then you can age gracefully. I'm sure with this, more people will key into using this Cellgevity, as I do, and I keep prescribing it to my patients. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dr. George. You certainly are a leader above all leaders, and it's a real pleasure to be able to work with you here in Nigeria as we bring this new medical breakthrough technology to all people throughout all states of Nigeria. Thank you. God bless you.
You're welcome.